Hello and welcome to the Tales Slate. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have just acquired from Everything Pop Culture the new Han Solo, or I should say old Han Solo, the Han Solo from The Force Awakens, the 6-inch action figure. So he's really cool and we are going to unbox him because apparently people like to watch people opening boxes. And so this will probably be the one and only time that I actually unbox something on the Tail Slate. But let's take a look. Okay, here we go. We've got our Han Solo in the box. So let's open the box up, break that tape. There we go. Let's pull it out. And as you can see, Han Solo in the package looks just the same as it did through the clear opening on the box. Well, let's get him out of the package. Oh, and there he is. There is Han Solo. His head turns. Look at that. Ooh, his arms move. He's holding a blaster. And look at that. He's wearing his nice new jacket. So there you are. One Han Solo from The Force Awakens.